Our quarter panel is already prepped and ready to go. I just got to finish prepping the rocker. We got to take off the clear bra. Once that is complete, we're going to get to the rear bumper as well. We're going to do the rear bumper separately after the quarter panel is painted. And then I think we're going to have to take care of this bumper. Looks like he got a lot of rock chips. Probably take care of the hood as well. We have to find out about the bumper and hood. If the customer wants to proceed with repairs, we're gonna have to strip the bumper, primer it, and then refinish the whole thing. All right, so we sprayed the center of the Ferrari 458 bumper. It has to be a two-tone. It's a matte gray to match all the rest of the trim on the rear bumper and the diffuser. We're finally done with the paint on this Ferrari and ready for assembly. Turned out super nice. We used the low gloss clear coat to give it that matte finish. Looks super clean with the red and the matte gray. So now we just have to put the front end together, give it a nice detail, and it'll be ready for the customer. Oh, and one more thing we're gonna do is we're gonna re-clear the front headlights just to make them look brand new. As you saw, the front end was super beat up, chipped. It's been driven a lot, so same with the headlights. They look pretty trash, so we're gonna re-clear them and make them look just like new. The headlights are cleared, looking just like new. So we're ready to install the front end and get this car ready.